Hey, this is John Bourgeois, your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent, and today we are here at Drees Homes, the model home, and I'm really excited to share it with you. But if this is your first time to the channel, let me just stop and say welcome. Again, my name is John Bourgeois. I am your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent and really your resource for all things Nashville. So whether you're looking at a new home like we're doing today, or you're looking at a resale home, you're looking to list, move, or even relocate, I really want to be a resource for you, and I definitely want to make this be an easier process as well. So whether it be you move in the next 9 days or you're moving in the next 90, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can text me, email me, call me. Let's connect face to face, figure out exactly what it is you're looking for, and really make this be the smoothest process for you ever. Hey, make sure you like, you subscribe, and you turn on that notification bell. You're going to want to make sure that notification bell is turned on so you're getting as much up-to-date content as possible throughout this entire process. Other than that, welcome to your new home. Now again, I mentioned that today we are here in Mt Juliet, Tennessee. We're actually at a brand new community called Ashton Park, and we're going to be looking at the Graceland Floorplan by Drees Homes, and I'm really excited to share it with you. But before we do that, let me just go ahead and chat about Ashton Park. Now, Ashton Park happens to be in Mt Juliet. It is literally a stone's throw away from Percy Priest Lake as well. It's going to have walking trails as well as sidewalks, and you're also going to have a beautiful park as well. Now, the model home that we're looking at today is called the Graceland, and this is a 4 beds, 3 full baths. You're looking at 2,383 square feet. You're looking at a 2-car garage, and just a couple of things that I just absolutely loved about this home. I mean, I am always a sucker for that front porch. Just imagine myself sitting out there in my rocking chairs, looking out on the neighborhood, sipping my coffee or my whiskey, and enjoying those summer days. You walk into the home and you are greeted with those wooden beams in the living room and that fireplace. You've got that beautiful back porch that wraps around and gives you some privacy as well. You've got a beautiful master suite, and upstairs you've got a bonus room for the kids, the teens, or the adults to be able to get away from all the activity that's going on downstairs. If you are interested in the Graceland floor plan, do remember, and this is the case with any of the Drees home floor plans that we're looking at, if Mt Juliet isn't the place that you're wanting to go ahead and call home, Drees Homes has several different communities around Nashville. So definitely reach out and let's see if we can find you a Drees home right where you're wanting to be. Other than that, enjoy your tour.